sheets with bubble.io. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this sheet over here in my browser, and you can see I have shown that sheet inside the Bubble app. This is all the data that I have. This is the dummy data that I've created. And here, so you can see this is all the data exactly from the sheets. So how you can do it, like first set up this whole dummy data so you can test it out, and then go to this extension app scripts, and in the app script you will see this function right here. Just create your function something like this, or like copy it. I will paste it in the description for you. You can just use it. Just remember, don't like change this thing over here or change it according to your page. So I have sheet 1, you can change it to anything you have. After pasting this code, click on deploy, click on new deployment, name the deployment, and first select this web app part in the type, name it, and click on deploy. So after this, click on deploy. It will take a moment, and after it's done, it will show you something like this. So this will be the script for your this whole Google sheet, and using this script you can directly get the data anywhere you want. I'll be using Bubble here, so I'll show you the next steps. So this whole thing with the setup of Google Sheets, it is done. Okay, now go to the API connector and paste the link that you copied, and after pasting it, initialize the call, and in the initialize call you will get all the data like this. So you can like closely see this data is in the form of lists. So this is the first list, this will be like the whole page, and this will be each row separately showing to you. So this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, and this is row 4, and so on. Okay, now to display this kind of data you will need 2 repeating groups. So I will have this first repeating group, and then inside the repeating group there will be another repeating group. The first repeating group will get all the lists, and like this is all the lists from the API call, and the second repeating group, it will get just the rows of the list. So it will get the current row that it's on. This is the get data item 0, that is the response from the API in the form of a row, single list of data. So you can see like this is the row 0, this is another row 0, and everything else is the same. Okay, so after setting up this, just add a text with fixed size of 200 and get data from the parent. So it's showing the parent data right over here, and after this is done, just reload the page and you will see the whole data displayed over here directly. And this is the whole process in this connecting to Google Sheets. You will not need anything else. Okay, and one more thing, if you want something like scroll like this option, to have this you will need to have this fixed width in the text of 200 or more as per your need, and the repeating group will be fixed width to content, and this will also be fixed width to content, and this main repeating group will have like a fixed width. So this will accept long and short as well, but you will make it fixed or make it a max, so it does not grow too much. So if you click on this fit width to content, it will start growing and it will take the whole page. That's not what I want. I want something like this. So I can like give it fixed width and it will also work for me. And now if you see, it will like take this whole area for me. I'll remove this fixed size from here as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see like this is taking the whole page.